Alright, so TikTok, man, we here back finna tow the Charger. Got the truck over there finna tow that bit. Let me just show y'all a little damage. Like I said, you know, this shit right here came up, dog. Oh. But we finna load it up. When I load it up, I should be able to see more of the damage that was done. So yeah. So yo, YouTube, man, today's video, we finna go get this muffler delete on my Ford F150. And let me show y'all something. So as y'all can see, man, I got my front bumper on finally. And it looks a little off because I guess I need a front grill right here. But y'all can see, man, the front bumper is looking back good with it. It's looking way better than when I got it, as y'all know, man, with the new rims and all that on there. It's looking pretty nice. Remember, I got a 5.0, so we finna go see how much this muffler delete gonna be, and we probably gonna get it. I don't know yet. But with that being said, man, let's head to the exhaust shop. I'll do the 3-inch.
I can't.
I'll do the 3-inch.
You want me to delete too?
Yeah, delete and 3-inch. Alright, so y'all, man, what we getting is the muffler delete, and we're gonna get some 3-inch chrome tips. As y'all know, them tips back there are terrible. Yeah.
My pants all behind me. All I wanted, I got it. I just been creeping and climbing. All of this shit perfect timing. I got my mom out of debt. I just wrote her a check. I just gave her some money, so mama ain't gotta stress. For sure.
So man, as y'all can see, man, it just got a little simple tone, nothing too loud. That's pretty much what I was looking for.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
So man, let's get y'all a POV drive and see what we talking about, man. Like I said, yeah, it's not loud at all. That's not what I was going for. I mean, that's kind of what the Charger's for, was to go that loud thing. I'm not trying to do that, y'all. I'm just trying to get some quiet and tone, just to give it a little rumble. Now, not gonna lie, the fact that I am so used to a loud car, I kind of do want to go louder, but I just can't do it. See, give it a little gas here. Yeah, I'm so used to a loud car that this doesn't feel like loud at all, bro. But hey, man, let's give it a little engine reel. Yeah. It's being so quiet still because I'm so used to loudness, bro. It's crazy. And here goes how the tip look on, y'all. I didn't really show y'all that. Get y'all a better view of how the tip look on. As you can see, man, it's coming together, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and take these side skirts off today too. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. By the time you see this video, they'll probably be off, but they're gonna lift it a little higher, man. So we'll see. Muffler. I got a pipe and a muffler. Yeah. A muffler delete and another what you call it? I mean, it ain't no big difference. That muffler right here.
Wait, so like, what you gotta do to get like the duals to the back? Like,
I actually don't have a fucking clue, but it wasn't in my budget. That's all I can say. Alrighty, so YouTube, man, like I said, I was gonna take them side skirts off. It was honestly just 4 bolts on each rail that was on there. Well, not each rail, but it was like 4 bolts under each thing that was holding it to the bumper, and it was 3 things holding it to the bumper. But here we go, man, without the side steps. Honestly, man, I vlogged it all on TikTok. So what I would do would throw in a TikTok clip here to show me taking it off. All right, so man, TikTok is the day that we finally take off our side steps. And the honestly, look, bolts on easy, just 2 bolts on each 3 of these. And then, yeah, it should come off. It's so hot, I had to pull on the couple. Oh man, it's actually 4 bolts, not 2 bolts on the one. I got them 2 bolts all right there, but behind it, it seems that it's another 2 bolts. So yeah, as y'all can see, man, it's 2 bolts right here as well. Well, where is a ratchet drill when you need it? So we got those bolts, man. I decided that I do not want to be under there while we loosen this last bolt. Oops, we forgot a bolt. So man, here y'all go, man, without the side steps. Let me know if y'all think that's better or what. And here goes the other side, man. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get used to it, man. I had to jump up there for a good little minute, but I think it does kind of make the truck like sit kind of higher. It's not technically up higher, but it makes it look higher, if that makes sense. Back shot, yeah, man, I'll say a W mod. Let me know if y'all missed the new tips I just put on. And remember, I just got a muffler delete. A side shot. And these right here are for sale just for $40. Which y'all think that's a good price or what? But yeah, now that you have watched the TikTok clip, man, we are back. As y'all can see, man, the mug is pretty nice. We got our muffler delete. We got everything. Just let me know what else y'all want to see right now. But remember, the charger is down, so I can't do too much in money-wise because I got to get that charger back up and running. That's the main content there. But for right now, we're going to try to do what we can here and still stay cheap and simple, man. So with that being said, I'm going to plug in this clip of me installing these rock lights that I tried to put in. It didn't go too well, but I'll let y'all watch that clip in here. Installing some rock lights that I got off TikTok shop. And this right here is what I have so far. These are the lights, and this is a plug adapter because I heard the lights doesn't come with a remote or anything to turn them off. Now I honestly believe that this will be a long task job due to getting all the wiring hit as the best I can, but I'm telling you now, this will not be professionally installed. This will not be the best job, but it will get it done. First thing that I would like to start off doing is by cleaning under my undercarriage and figure out how he got there. So man, here's what we have in our bag for the rock lights, and I only have 12, I believe. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, as you can see, a lot of wiring. Wires look long. My main concern is how long is the wiring for my main wiring to connect to my battery and stuff. As y'all know, I got this, and this doesn't seem long at all to run it at least like up in there into the car. So the first task that I would do before you just grab one and stick it under there is I will get my wiring setup laid out. Like I would put, if you're going 3 under here, I'll put them 3 around that spot that you're doing and make sure that you get your wiring played out first into where you want your wiring to go. Because if you just stick it under there, you're gonna have wires tangled everywhere because you don't know if this wire got to run across that wire already or what. So yeah. So yeah, I have 3 of these stuck on already, man. So I can see, oh my god, that is too low. That's too low, y'all. I didn't notice that. But I got these. Them 3 there stuck on. I don't know if I can re-stick this. Okay, I just restuck that one. That one may still get problems, but hopefully. So now what I'm gonna try to do is hide the wire. And I made the same mistake on this one. Don't make this mistake, y'all. I say if you're gonna do your wiring, put the wiring like up here so it can run like, you know what I'm saying, like that, and then hides. Cause when it runs down like this, you're gonna see this wiring right here. Now it's not much to vlog doing this because it's a time-consuming, same process thing. But as you can see, I mean, I did my best to get the wiring hidden in here. As you can see, you got that wire going right there. Everything's not fully hidden to its full potential yet. I'm just getting it kind of hidden. And this right here, I guess that's kind of hidden too. But hey, my concern is right here, like this one, you can see that wiring right there. I don't know if that's on camera, but you can see that wiring right there. That's kind of my concerns on getting the wire hidden, but it'll be alright, man. So got all the lights mounted, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, this back is honestly the easiest to set up because you don't gotta worry about this wheel move. You don't got too many components in here that you go around. It's so plain, but I mean, look, that's how I got that ran. Now, it's ghetto, don't get me wrong, but it's done, as you can see. But you know, this front, you gotta think about it. You gotta have room so that you can turn your wheel. So I gotta think about that right there so I can turn my wheel still. That one right here should be good. That's not gonna affect. I ran it over into there. It's not gonna affect it, and this shouldn't affect it either. I think that's, yeah, my tire is too small to hit that, but that right there may be a problem. What to do is bring that up around a little more so they can stop that from my wheel hitting that. And then my front bumper on, that's gonna cover that wire that you'll see right there. So everything is wired. My next objective is to find my power source, where I want to run my power, get my power plugged up, and then after my power is plugged up, we're gonna go in and just hide the extra cords. We're gonna zip tie the cords up to something, and this is done, y'all. So let's find my power source. Like I say, this is a short video. It's not much to putting in raw lights. It's just very time consuming, and to your preference on how picky you are to making things look as good as possible. But I mean, this is kind of a sponsor for me, and I wasn't gonna go get pay $300 to get this installed or nothing. I'm a DIY person, so I don't care. I don't care about how making things look the best, but I just get the job done and make it look decent. So let's find our power source. I don't know where my power source. I don't know like what fuse I want to run it to. I don't know if I just want to run it off my battery and then use my switch. I don't know yet. So let me figure that out. I'm gonna probably figure that off on camera. When I find something, I'll let y'all know. So yeah, all the route lights is on, man. The wiring part, I can't do nothing. Like y'all, I need this to run all the way to the cabin. There is nothing I can do but order an extension, positive and negatives. That's all I can do on that side of the case and wait for that to come in. Or if Walmart or Harbor Freight have that, I can get that tomorrow, and then I can get the lights wired up. But aside from the lights being wired up, y'all, the wiring is so bad, y'all. I honestly might not leave these on. Like y'all, I don't even feel good about getting an oil change. How bad the wiring is, and I'm finna show y'all. Y'all can see that. That there ain't it, man. I might take this shit. I might take this off and actually pay to get it done when I get some good wheels or something. But other than that, man, when I kind of tested it, I don't have another camera person or a person to hold that positive and negative on the battery, so I can't show y'all when I turned it on. But when I kind of turned it on, man, it honestly looked pretty decent when I turned it on. So until that wire come in, or when I get that wire, I can show y'all what it look like when it's on. So I will see y'all then. Honestly, guys, I'm throwing away the rock lights because I did not like the way that I had the wire set up. So this video not gonna be about these, I guess.
Hi.
Okay.
Put my past all behind me. All I wanted, I got it. I just been creeping and climbing. All of this shit perfect timing. I got my